We're getting off the ship today in the port of St. Thomas, Charlotte Amalie, St. Thomas, United States Virgin Islands. Hey, you were in another port. We can't use that again. Anyway, go ahead, take our picture. Look, there's a tall person. A very tall person. I think we should walk through this way. So right here next to the port, there are people dancing. There is a lot of loud music. And I think this might be the Havensight Mall. So you could shop right here. We're gonna walk into the town. Ship right there, got off, walked here. This is the Havensight shopping mall. So they built this for the convenience of cruise ship passengers so they wouldn't have to walk into town. But we're gonna walk into town. We may stop here on the way back. We just wanna go that way. It just winds, doesn't wind, it's just a gentle curve around to the main part of town. Mostly flat. We're on the Norwegian Pearl. That's the Carnival Fascination there. We got off, made a left, coming down this way, going on down and around. Came around, past the Windies. Well, you can't see it, but it's right there. There's all sorts of shops and markets and things over there. Looks like a new gas station going in. Everyone's crossing. Here we go. So we're crossing because everyone else crossed, even though the hand is red. And we're just going to continue on down the line. Lowe's is becoming a fresh market. It's soon come. This side we have the Yacht Haven Grande with this 8-foot wrought iron fence. And on that side we have some apartment buildings, I think. We've been walking now for about 10 minutes maybe. So we've been coming around. The ships are right there. We've been walking in this wide arc. And when you come to this signal with the hotels up on the hill, just stay left. The town is over there at the bottom of the hill. It took us about 15 minutes to get this far. I think we have another 10 minutes maybe. Stay left, hotels up there, town over there. And then we saw this, walkway to cruise ships, and we thought, let's check it out. So we're gonna check this out. We got to this walkway. There's shops in there in that hotel, Yacht Hotel, whatever it was called. Well, I would say on the way back, there's our ship, there's the Carnival ship. There's the ships. Let's go.
Thank you.
And that lady helped us cross. And it worked out well. Oh, there was a button we could have pushed and would have lit up some lights. Oh well. Anyway, they're making a Veterans Memorial Seaside Walk there. There's the ships. That's a Carnival ship. Ours is at one. So we walked around in a curving crescent and we're at the Rondelugo Federal Building. And up there is the town. That took us about a half an hour. A little less actually to this point, but we're not quite there yet. Janet says it's a little over a mile. We could have ridden in for $4 each and probably back for $4 each, but we would not have gotten any exercise. So we reached this red building. Looks like an old fort or something. town. As we took pictures of this place, one of the locals slowed down in his car and said, go on around the other side and go in. So we're going to go on around the other side and try to go in. There is a cannon lane here. This is a fire station, it says. And look, it got some mixed in. It's a combo. Pink, yellow, mix. There's a mama hen and there's a little chick. And there is something on this side. A clock with the wrong time and a date. People in there. I think it costs. Janet's gonna find out. So this is the beginning of town. They've got this swap meet area set up here. A lot of booths selling a lot of stuff. Goes back there pretty far. Jewelry, clothes, these things, hats. We get to walk up off the main road, which is a good thing. Hey, Michael Kors bags. Little Switzerland. So here's the shops of Charlotte Amalie. Tourist information. She'll give you a free map and tourist information. This is the Havensight Mall. So I guess there's many shops in there. You can walk through there. There's stores in there. Goes on for a few blocks actually.
Good morning, good morning.
Hi.
Guys, shopping today? You're browsing?
Local color. So all up and down these streets is shopping, if that's your thing.
Guys, we're shopping today. You're browsing. Here,
Looking
keep this
around.
in mind, just in case.
Drake's Passage, more shops. And we're going to take a look in there. If you want me to stay, I'll be around today. Sign the Family Stone. Anyway, don't want any copyright infringement here, so let's get away from that music. They're having a 75% blowout sale. Ha! For me, 76. So, I would say it's mostly jewelry stores in here, if not only jewelry stores. So this is Drake's Passage Shopping Center, and we walk through. Main road is behind me, the harbor is behind me, and we're out on another street full of, you guessed it, shopping. Shopping, shopping, shopping. never ends shop. Shop and shop and shop. 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 And build your own bangle. Shop and shop and shop. And food and drink, but mostly shopping. Palm Passage. We came out Drake's Passage down there, walked down the street. Now we're going in here because it looks kind of cool, to be honest with you. No other reason. There's a lot of these places. Looks like they watered this one. And actually, looks like most of the shops are closed up today. If those are shops. You can see it out there is the turquoise water of the harbor. So we'll be back on the main road in just a moment. But if you're looking for one of these, they'll seem to be in the wrong place. And that's the Palm Passage. And here we are back out on the main drag, so to speak. Ships over there. More shops to the right. More shops to the left. Water in front. We're over on that side of the road, going through the little shopping malls and streets. Lots of shopping. Not really looking for anything though, trying to show you. And then we cross the street, so we come over on this side where it's the harbor. The boats, the ships, and our way back around it. So this is a yacht harbor, maybe a hotel and a shopping center. And it says we can get back to the cruise ship this way, so we decided to check it out. Been walking since around there. There's our ship. There's some yachts. Swimming pools. Pool. And a sign that says the shops. We've reached an area that has some shops. Mostly looks like they went out of business already. Sea Glass was open. Let's see if the restroom is open. Nope. So there's Urban Eats and something's Sugar and Spice, I think it says. The ship is over there. Janet wants to go this way. She thinks it's a shortcut. So we won't go out there. There's an aerial tramway going up the hill. Janet wanted you to know it also comes down.
This way.
It says walk to ships. We'll see. Hey, a White Market Black House. And a The Store. And a Piranha Spa Vida. And a Norwegian Pearl. Yeah, Janet says there's a couple cannons there. Hey, they're aimed at our ship. So here's the exit, and of course if we'd come this way going, we could have avoided some I don't know, walking along the street. This was a much more peaceful walk. I'll give it that. We're gonna go out right there and then back to the ship. I think the Havensight Mall is right in there, so we haven't missed that either. So we left the Yacht Haven Grande, put on the shops. There's the ship. We've come to this fence, but see an opening in it way up there. Well, we could go straight there or go to the mall. Janet's choice. I believe this is the Havensight Mall. Now there's rows of shops, and I think there's 2 or 3 rows of shops. That being one of them. Of course, the ship's right there. If we go through here, there are more. So this is just across the street from the ship. And it's all the name brands and the ship-sponsored shops and the free charms and necklaces and all that stuff right here. And restrooms.